this is Swati Kapoor. You are watching BollywoodNazar.com. Stay tuned.
बहुत कम ऐसे एक्टर्स होते हैं जिन्हें बॉलीवुड में डेब्यू करने से पहले ही नेम और फेम से नवाजा जाता है। इन लकी एक्टर्स में से एक हैं स्वाति कपूर, जिन्होंने टीवी पर काली और हमारी सास लीला जैसे पॉपुलर शोज में अपनी अदाकारी दिखाकर लोगों का दिल जीता और अब जल्द ही बॉलीवुड में अपना पहला कदम रखने जा रही हैं फिल्म फुद्दू से। आइए BollywoodNazar.com के एक्सक्लूसिव इंटरव्यू में बात करते हैं प्रिटी और टैलेंटेड एक्ट्रेस स्वाति कपूर से।
Hi Swati, welcome to BollywoodNazar.com.
Thank you.
Okay, first of all we'll start with सीरियल से मूवीज तक कैसा रहा आपकी जर्नी?
सीरियल से मूवी तक बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग रहा है, बहुत अच्छा रहा है। और जब मैंने सीरियल्स शुरू किया था तब मैंने नहीं सोचा था मैं मूवीज में आऊंगी, बट टुडे आई एम हियर एंड आई लुक बैक, आई फील गुड।
सो फर्स्ट काली एंड देन मेरी सास लीला, तो दोनों में काली में आपका कैरेक्टर जो था बहुत ही डिफरेंट था
जी,
इट वाज हटके एकदम। तो व्हाट डू यू हैव टू से अबाउट दैट? जब अप्रोच किया आपको तो आपका पहला रिएक्शन क्या था कैरेक्टर सुन के?
जब मैंने उसमें कैसे हुआ था that I went there and I gave my audition and after that I was given the narration as it happens with newcomers. So that was the process, and when I heard the story, when I heard the star cast of the film, I was very excited and thrilled and I felt nice that I'll be yes, Ashutosh ji was there, Arif Zakaria was there, Sonali Kulkarni first time on television playing my mom, so everything was larger than life for me. So, and character wise also it was a very challenging and a very nice role for me, so I loved it.
Yeah, so Ashutosh Rana, how was it working with him? He's a very experienced actor.
Yes.
So, and Sonali Kulkarni of course.
Yes.
So did you learn something from them?
A lot. I think I have learned everything that I know right now. I have learned in that show only, because I haven't done any professional course in acting. It just started, and whatever I learned on the set. And working with these actors, so they're so experienced. They command over the language and everything. It's awesome.
So were you always sure that you had to take this path, or you had something else in mind?
No, I was never sure that I'll be doing acting, and it just happened, and when it happened, then I realized this is something I love and I want to do it.
So what did you have in mind then?
I was just studying. I was doing my graduation at that time, and जो normal plans होते हैं, I was a commerce student, so I thought I'll go into for MBA or something like that, and I'll do a job. It was like that, and when I started, my first project was just for money. You know, एक होता है कि extra पैसे मिल जाएंगे when you are in college and school. So just for extra money, I did it, and then I started enjoying it.
Okay, so
that was the whole thing.
What was the turning point when you came to acting, when you started acting? So Kali was the turning point.
Yes, Kali was the turning point for me.
Did you give any auditions before that, or was it just?
I have given quite a few auditions before that, but I was not that serious.
Okay.
It was just, I was in college at that time, so how it happened that somebody tells you let's go there and we just go and give the audition, I used to forget about it. But when Kali happened, that was the turning point for me, and I became very serious towards all these things.
So, and Meri Saas Leela.
Yeah.
How was that? Your character in that was totally different, right, from Kali.
Yes.
So how was the change?
It was a very good change, because मैं शायद काली में लड़ के रो के बहुत थक चुकी थी, so and I was a very good girl in Kali, so here I play a spoiled brat. So that was a good thing.
Okay, so beach में when you completed your serials and then you disappeared from the screens, why so? What were you doing then?
It was a conscious action. I took it deliberately because I wanted to break from television to try my luck into movies.
Okay.
So I took a break because you cannot sail in both the boats at one time. So that was the thing, that I took a break and I wanted to get into movies. So I was just trying that.